Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Tuesday, October 15th, 2024. Let's find out what's going on the Bitcoin. Bitcoin is in a very peculiar situation today. We got very nice movement to the upside yesterday. Bitcoin to Tether, Zondacrypto daily time frame chart, Marubozu candle. Marubozu candle means that this is a very nice upside movement. Strong upside movement towards one of the clearest swing highs on the chart, 66,444. Let me just place the trend line, the technical resistance here, because as you can see we are very close to clear this technical resistance. All right, today so far we got the inside bar or inside candle, as we do not trade much, and the volatility is very limited because of the yesterday's, mostly because of the yesterday's movement. But if we take a look here on the recent swing high, and if we follow my cursor, you can clearly see there is a W pattern. W pattern is a continuation pattern. It's a kind of a price pattern that you can follow. And now I'm applying the next targets for the bulls on the screen. So we got 69,812, 71,800, and those targets are really easy for the bulls to be cleared, especially if the RSI is showing this kind of a momentum. However, we need a breakout to the upside. We need a breakout above this first level here, 66,440. We need to clear this level on high momentum and move higher towards 69,812. Otherwise, the market participants might lose this kind of a momentum, which would be really unnecessary and a pity, a shame, if the bulls will lose this momentum. The local technical support 59,100 is still available for the bulls. However, I guess that in this situation they don't want to look back. If we apply one more indicator on our chart, which is in form of the moving average cross, and we will apply the longer term moving averages as usual, 100 and 200. Then what we can see is there you go. This is still kind of a movement that we see all the time after the death cross, and there was some kind of a movement to the downside. However, the recent upward movement and now yesterday's Marubozu candle are clearly signify really nice situation where the moving averages are getting closer together, and maybe there will be another golden cross on the Bitcoin soon. 100 crossing 200 periods moving average from below. So that would mean bulls are back on the market. In order to do this, we need a breakout to the upside, preferably above 61,800, and then we got another signal that the bulls are back on town, trading strongly to the upside. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. Take care and bye bye.